Hello, dear friends. Hope you all are doing well and great and enjoying my videos. So, I'm back with the beautiful video of Birce and Ibrahim. Celikkol. Hope you are loving my content. So, dear friends, I have bring the video and I tried to make my new videos with the most latest and the most beautiful pictures of Ibrahim and birce akalay. So I hope you will get the most beautiful content in this video. So here we go with the beautiful picture of birce akalay. She's just showing a class by singing and her love for the pet. Never ending love of birce akalay, a random picture. And this is also a random picture, the most beautiful picture of birce akalay. The next one is a beautiful clock. It's also random, but it's the most beautiful one. You love to see this one as well. And our hero Ibrahim, a beautiful random picture. He's the amazing personality, and this is the wonderful clock of birce and Ibrahim with two different looks. You would love to see this one. So dear friends, go through the video till end, subscribe my channel and enjoy the video. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.